Technology designed by Computer PC Repair. The Gigabyte System Board from Gigabyte, the MW50-SVO. Superior technology designed by Gigabyte. The supporting processors for this system board are the E5 1600 and 2600 version 3 and version 4 product families. This unit is equipped with an 8x RDIMM, LRDIMM, ECC DDR4 DIMM slots. It has 3x Gigabyte LAN ports, Intel i210 plus a i218, which is an optional plug-in port, which will give you 3 extra ports, converting to 6 total Ethernet ports available on this system board. It supports both 2-way and 3-way NVIDIA SLI, AMD Crossfire. It is equipped with a 13x serial ATA3 slots at 6 GB transfer rates per second. It has a 1x M serial ATA slot and a 1x USB 3.0 header, plus a 1x internal USB 3.0 port. If you're looking for rock solid technology, call us today at Computer PC Repair. We'd be happy to guide you in the proper direction for all your computer needs. Thank you for watching.